Assalamu alaikum, this is Mahwash. I am RYT 200 registered on Yoga Alliances USA and a certified yoga teacher. Did you know our breath is a wonderful and a powerful tool to purify our mind, body and intellect? If we can control our respiration, we can literally control every way and every aspect of our life and literally lead a healthier life. So today we are going to learn two techniques, two breathing practices. Number one, humming bee technique, and number two, delayed breathing technique. So for the one, humming bee technique, we would need to sit in a comfortable position. You can sit however you are comfortable in Sukhasana or Padmasana. I would like to sit on this block and then I will cross my legs. Hands sideways, shoulders back. Make sure you relax, your shoulders are relaxed, everything is relaxed. This breathing practice is very important for your nervous system. It lowers your blood pressure, it relieves the tension and also clears your throat. For this, you will close your eyes, you'll inhale and then you will close your eyes, your ears using your thumb and fingers. And then you will exhale, and while exhaling you will come up with a sound, a humming sound that you will listen to that sound internally. How will you do that? Let's try to practice. Let's begin. You can look at me. I am closing my ears with the thumbs, my eyes with the middle fingers. I will put my index fingers on the forehead and the rest of my fingers, the ring and the pinky fingers, at the side of my nose bridge. While exhaling, I have to make sure that I'm concentrating on the middle, the Ajna chakra, which is in the middle of the eyebrows. So let's inhale. Now push a little bit and start making the sound of hum. Again, exhale with the humming sound. We'll do it one more time. Inhale. Place your fingers at the side of the nose bridge. Press slightly on your eyes with the middle finger. Focus on the Ajna chakra, which is in the middle of your eyebrows. Now slowly come back to awareness. And that's how we do humming bee breath. Now we'll do the second type of technique that we're going to learn today, which is the delayed breathing. So for that, let me explain you first. First we will inhale for 2 seconds, then we'll retain hold the breath for 5 seconds, and then we will top up that breath for 3 more seconds, and then we will exhale slowly. Exhaling slowly is the very important part. So exhale slowly at the end for the 5 seconds. Let's begin. Again, we have to sit in the comfortable position. Shoulders back, elbows back, hands sideways. Bring your right hand on your heart, because the beautiful things can be seen by the heart, not with your eyes. Place your left hand on your belly. Inhale. Inhale for 2 seconds only. 1, 2. Hold your breath for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now top up on that 2 seconds breath, 3 more seconds. Now your belly is full. Now hold and slowly exhale for 5 seconds. Let's do it again. Inhale for 2 seconds. Hold for 5 seconds. pump up for 3 more seconds. Now slowly exhale. This breathing technique is very wonderful. It's very useful for your lungs. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you have learned really good techniques. Try to incorporate those breathing techniques and practices in your daily life. Hope you liked this session. This session was brought to you by Dove. Allah Hafiz.